I'm George Dimopoulos. I'm an assistant professor at the Johns Hopkins School of Public Health, Department of Molecular Microbiology and Immunology at the Malaria Research Institute. My research group is working on the mosquito Anopheles gambiae that transmit malaria. And we are studying the molecular biology of the mosquito with a particular interest in the mosquito's innate immune system that is involved in killing malaria parasites. We want to understand how this immune system functions and which genes and molecules are important for killing the parasite. We believe that by understanding the biology of this system, we would be able to use the knowledge to develop malaria control strategies in the future. Malaria is one of the world's most serious diseases. It has been with mankind forever, really, and it's a shame that we still have it. Malaria infects 400 million people every year and kills 2 million people, mostly in the sub-Saharan African region, but we also find it in other developing countries in South America and Asia. So malaria is caused by a protozoan parasite of the genus Plasmodium, and there are 4 Plasmodium species that can cause human malaria. The most important of those is Plasmodium falciparum. Plasmodium falciparum is transmitted mostly by mosquitoes belonging to the Anopheles genus, and the most important vector mosquitoes for malaria transmission in sub-Saharan Africa